Wow, there's no little bit of eel. All right, this is awesome. We are down on the Passamaquoddy, the river I lost the reed boat in. Oh! See the video link here. And it is a far less intimidating river at this time of the year, obviously. You can barely even tell it's moving. So, and we're gonna try and we got the water wheel with us. Gonna try and do the water wheel, finally. And I'm gonna be hammocking it for the first time ever. I have a hammock from Warb on it, and I've never slept in a hammock before, and I've always thought they were silly. But I saw somebody else's. Welcome to this episode of Bushcraft Crib. Show us your place there, Malcolm.
Welcome to my home.
Huh, looks like it could be comfortable. So they sent me one. We're gonna set it up, camp out, hang out here, and then tomorrow, see if we can't find a good spot in this little stream, river, to roast the chicken. Yeehaw, let's do it. There it is. There's the hammock, and I believe that's the cover for it. I have not looked at the instructions. I like to set stuff up and test the fact that is something intuitive. Oh, my favorite color, orange.
Meanwhile, Chris is setting his tent up at the same time.
A ham warmer? I wonder why the bag opens up at both ends. I guess maybe you could just leave it on here. Ooh. Now isn't this is just the sexiest camo. This is awesome. I love new toys.
Where does it get those wonderful toys?
Look at that, it comes with two of the cutest little carabiners. Cool little line for this. Got this from 5 Coal. They link below. Got so many new toys to play with. This new folder.
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Made by a company, they haven't even released it yet. They call their metal liquid diamond. So there's gonna be a video that's coming soon for their Kickstarter on the full bush knife made out of the same stuff. It's supposed to be the sharpest knife in the world. And I am loving it right now. It is sharp. Not gonna win any prizes for speed setup, that's for sure. But now that the lines are attached to it, there's even 2 more anchor points, here and here. So if these sides were meant to come down during, I don't know if this is the winter one or not. During the winter you could bundle it down tight, closer. House shape, conventional. Let's try her out. Got my gear shelf. Throw my sleeping bag up in there until I'm ready to use it. Sharp implements. First time ever in a hammock. Here we go. You can hang some stuff from in here with a little carabiner. Have your flashlight. Oh yeah. Very nice. I want to lie down a little flatter. I just scoop to the side here like this and boom. And I sleep on my stomach. Sometimes I like to sleep on my stomach. Yeah, I think you might actually be able to sleep on your stomach too. I don't know, I feel like the whole thing is very airy compared to a tent even too. You got the nice, you're up off the ground, you get the coolness of this whole top canopy being screened. You can sit up in a tent. And I can just sit up in this if I wanted to sit up. Nope. That doesn't want to happen. Can't flip it over. There's some sort of opening too. So you can put like a sleeping mat underneath of you to insulate you so you don't get cold. I don't want to get out. I like this. Of course, you're not going to win any prizes for speed setting this up. Chris If he had put his rain fly on, I would have beat him. Let's go see if we can't catch ourselves some dinner. Look at that sexy camouflage. You can't even see it from 30 feet away. It just disappears into the woods. Just kidding. It's right there. It's pretty green here. That's more of a woodsy, leafy thing. Where this set up, not right here, but like right in there. It just disappears. It's amazing. Beautiful camouflage. So light, the whole setup. Very impressed with this. Very much liking it. I can't wait to see what my first night's sleep is in this thing. See if we can't find ourselves a spot to catch some stuff on the speed hooks. Something to make our dinner a little more woodsy instead of just the stuff we brought with us. I don't hold out much hope because it's kind of, we can't see anything. We saw a little hole where there was some, but the river's so low. Might catch something. Yeah, spring for the YouTube Red, and then you could download all the stuff that you want to listen to when you're at my house.
Don't do it, bro. Don't send that. Oh my.
He's from Naked and Afraid.
Okay. Okay.
So that makes more sense. Like any good bushcrafter, we're using our phone out in the woods to watch Aaron Phillips' live life survival show, watching his quiz.
We live in a place.
Body wire or pro glide. And I'm operating in an area where there's lots and lots of.
If lost in the wilderness, what is the first thing you should do? A, find shelter. B, begin yelling for help. Or C, sit down, relax, and collect your thoughts. D, find water. Or E, make a signal fire. Answer now. Go ahead, guys.
Leave a trail of Skittles.
Zach is now naked with Skittles and a shovel at an Arby's.
I'm with Zach. Screw the rest of you guys.
Tony, Robin.
Me and Zach are going to Arby's, dude.
Something between, there's a turtle right here. There's a trout or something right there between the rocks. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Turtles are a great way to get fishing bait. See that right there? That's a leech. Stuck to the turtle. The turtles are a great source of leeches. And leeches, when you put them on the hook, they stay on the hook for almost forever. You can catch many a fish on one leech. There we go. I just grabbed the leech. Left the turtle be. Now it's stuck to me. Ugh, gross little things. Nice little leech. Put him on a hook, speed hook. And set it and forget it. Not really. The little leech on the bottom of it. Probably hard to see here in the dark, but it's squirming away. They're little resilient little guys. There's a little eel out here. I've seen them in between these rocks, a couple of them. See if I can't catch an eel for dinner. Nothing too crazy for out here. A little bit of corned beef, some mushrooms, and a little bit of taters, and some onions. Makes a tasty little mix. Lord, thank you for this food and this time out in the woods, and this wonderful corned beef and mushrooms and onions and a little bit of taters. In Jesus' name, amen. That corned beef's pretty good with the crunchy bits. Oh, fat in the bottom of this. Get that eel and cook them up in that. What's toilet paper for?
What do you think?
There's toilet paper all around.
I don't risk it like that, man.
Risk it.
Plus, I don't think that's the most efficient wipe.
What, moss? Moss works great.
Okay, moss is one thing.
Why, what were you thinking of? Leaves?
Fern.
Oh, ferns suck.
That's my safety. I know I'm not going to get irritated.
Yes, yeah, but you gotta use ferns the right way. And if you're gonna wipe with a fern, you take the fern and you put it.
Exactly, that's what I was thinking.
You just go right at it.
Very intuitive.
You know, and then you grab another one until you're clean. Got some poppers and some slingshots. gonna hang those up here. Normally you pull the string on it and blows out a little thing of tassels. But if you shoot it with the slingshot just right, nice and hard, they go pop. Step back a couple feet and shoot them. I got corned beef hands. I can't shoot them. Yeah, go for it.
Oh, come on. That's not gonna help.
Look away every time you're ready to shoot it. Hey, it's not my fault. Oh, did you see that?
It sparked all the way
That
into the stream.
sparked in the stream. That was cool. Oh, got him! Nailed it.
Nice. It's pretty cool. Excuses. Oh.
Two down.
Got it, but didn't. Nice.
Boom! Look at it. Even though they were pointing down, it all sprung out and blew out of the little poppers and went up into the trees and decorated the tree. They spark so good. Make sure you check yourself for ticks when you're out here. You wake up in the morning, find one of them two embedded in you. That's no fun. Check your belt lines, your armpits. You don't want to bring any of the little offenders to bed with you. Good for bed.
I actually did a far more thorough check than that, actually dropping my trousers, checking the insides of them, my legs. I just didn't figure anybody wanted to see that.
Tried out a couple of positions, managed to climb into my sleeping bag fairly painlessly. Thought it would be hard to get into it while I was in a hammock. And the rocking. Oh, shoot me. The rocking feels a little weird. But maybe it'll just rock me right to sleep. See you in the morning. Oh, wow. What an amazing night's sleep. Oh, that was amazing. I had to put my jacket on because it's a little cool. This is like a 40-degree bag, and it was 40 degrees out last night, so. But I was comfortable, and this I'm sold. This is amazing. I'm never gonna go out and sleep in the mud when it's raining somewhere. I definitely need an underquilt for that. I can feel like my underside's a little on the cool side, but so I threw the jacket on. That was fine. So comfortable. I didn't want to get out of bed. It was just so cozy. I'm looking up at the underside of the camouflage thing, and it's got such a cool pattern, the camouflage, that it looks as if you're looking from the underside of a canopy of trees and up and seeing glimpses of the sky behind it. It's neat. But I do love my coffee, so so that, if nothing else, is gonna get me out of bed right now. Yeah. Oh, isn't that awesome? Alright. And re-kit. Coffee. You can survive with what they rate a sleeping bag at.
It's not comfortable.
You can't be comfortable. You need like a 20-degree gap, especially when you get to the colder temperatures. You need like a 30-degree gap. And that's one nice thing about sleeping on the ground. Just dig a hole and stick a hot rock in it, and your whole bed is warm underneath you. You're great. Reset the speed hooks before we put the coffee on. Now it's almost done. I saw something wiggling down here on the string. I think I might got something. Oh yeah. Whew. I have not caught and had an eel before. That leech did his job. Ugh. There's no. Yeah, there we go. A little bit of eel. Whew. That is weird. There we go. One eel for breakfast. Ha-ha. Come on. Getting it. Go the distance. Nailed it. Oh, that was not easy. Nice clean eel. Ready for cooking. I still got my leech and my hook. I could throw it in and catch another. Smoked eel for breakfast. There we go. We decided to have a late breakfast and let it smoke for a good, I don't know, what's been smoking for 4 hours?
At least 3.
At least 3, if not 4.
Yeah.
And we'll toast up some onion, some butter, and give it one last sear in the pan. Bring out the flavor. It really doesn't have much flavor.
No.
No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh my goodness, that's all mine.
What?
All of that eel meat?
What's wrong with that? Alright, here we go. First time I've had eel that wasn't smoked eel and expensive or moderately expensive sushi rolls. Mmm. Oh. Yeah. Onions and mushrooms and eel. After smoking it for almost 4 hours. That is delish. Eel tail right there. The eeliest part of the eel tail. Let's see. You know, it's always been one of my biggest fears though. It's getting a bone stuck in your throat. Ever see The Burbs with Tom Hanks? He's over at the weird people's house and he's
choking on it.
Yeah, sardine bones. Ugh. I don't know where the fear.
You ate 63 fish. You don't think you ate a bunch of bones?
Oh, I ate a ton of bones, but
did you ever feel one stuck in the back of your throat?
No, I didn't, and I was always afraid that, like, you know, I didn't want my whole adventure to end because I had a bone stuck in the back of my throat.
How do you even call for rescue?
Because it's like it wouldn't even be something that would be all that medically important, I don't think. But you'd just be like
uncomfortable.
So uncomfortable that it would like mentally drive you kind of nuts. And that's how I pictured it going, and it didn't, fortunately. That is the bomb. Eel, onion, and mushrooms.
Very good.
And butter, of course. Butter. No, I didn't even put salt on it. Good.
Don't need it.
Nope. Yeah, you should have felt it when I was holding it. It was twisting around my arm and twisting all up and stuff. I was having a hard time not being creeped out by it a little bit, the way it was twisting up.
It's a slimer.
Well, that is definitely a breakfast of champions.
Very good.
Eel and coffee. And, that was fun. But I think we're going to have to say goodbye for now. I got a Bushcraft Waterwheel to finish, so I can post that video next time for you guys to see. And excited for that.
It's gonna be good.
Found a good place for it. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be great. Subscribe, share, like, do all that stuff. Make everybody else watch these videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Fowler out.
Next time on 87 Days, roasting the chicken on the Bushcraft Waterwheel.
Nailed it. That comes down quick. Doesn't need any instructions. I like it. I'm gonna use that a lot.